nhớ rong cú rong chia tao bỏ cái đùa. Hello, I am happy to see you again. Nu nói yo in nu rong, lo cầu chiên tới chỉ, yo all tu. Today is a great day to learn by consonants. These are single and multiple consonants in the Hmong language. And most Hmong words will have three components: a consonant, xin tao, a vowel, nian tao, and a tone, yin tao. In this example, HL is the biconsonant. The sound for this HL is hlo, and the vowel is oo, and the tone is a yi xia tone. And so when we read it all together, we will read it like this. Hlo u yi xia hlu. This means love. Gu hlu go. I love you. Gu hlu go. I love you. Let's do this. And don't forget to repeat after me. Hai tơ cú nơ. Cho, cho. Tho, thia, hlua. Hlo, hlua. Mo, mu. No, nu. Kho, khao, kia. Mlo, mlo. Nyo, nya. Ngo, ngo. Mbo, mboa. Ngo, ngoa. Ndo, ndoa. Ndo, ndai. Nyo, nyu. Po, pong yu. Blo, bla. Kho, kho dong. Tho, tho, ndo. Tho, thong. Cho, cho. Cho, qua cho. Xo, xông. Rong hành. Very good. Lo bé hai y nhô chén rồi. Let's do this a little faster. Hai đo cô. Say it with me. Cho, cho. Tho, thia, hlua. Hlo, hlua. Mo, mu. No, nu. Kho, khao, kia. Mlo, mlo. Nyo, ya. Ngo, ngo. Mbo, mboa. Ngo, ngoa. Ndo, ndua. Ndo, ndai. Nyo, nyu. พอพงยือปลอปลาคอขอดงทอทอนดอทอทงจอจอจากวจอชอชงก็ให้ตัวจงแหง You spoke very well 我照ก็ละเกินทักกู Thank you for learning with me จิกก็好เลยได้วิดีโอ See you in the next video